In today's video, let's talk about how to use a Letterboxd stats to see your movie habits. Now, if you're trying to look at the movie habits or your stats inside of Letterboxd, you'll need to access the Pro or Patron members of Letterboxd. Only after you have the premium version or the Pro version of Letterboxd, you'll be able to see the stats option being displayed inside of your profile inside of Letterboxd. Now, sometimes it may not be accessible inside of the mobile app as well, so make sure you check in the desktop version of Letterboxd as well. So only if you have the Pro version, make sure you make this search, and in order to use it, this normally provides a comprehensive breakdown of your movie habits, which include the top genres or directors, or maybe even actors that you logged in inside of the diary section. So all of these stats are dependent upon the diary or the logins that you made in for particular movies. So this allows Letterboxd to take a look at all of your stats depending upon the movies that you logged in inside of your diary section. So that's pretty much on how you do it. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one.